super easy. You're not gonna need a pan. You're not gonna need any of that. You're just gonna need an avocado, which we will slice and dice. We're gonna put that over our bed of rice. What we're also gonna do is take some fresh radish and make some really, really thin slices on these. And we're gonna just sprinkle it right over the top. The radish is good. It's gonna balance the saltiness of the teriyaki. We also have our green onions, sprinkle, sprinkle. And then I have some remaining blanched bok choy. And of course, our shredded seaweed. Final touches, y'all. Yeah, that is looking good. The lovely avocado and rice dish. Always good, always good. I love the creaminess of avocado with that teriyaki glaze, the fresh radish to just cut right through everything. This one is like super healthy. It's oil-free, really easy to make. Avocado, great for the brain. This one came out perfect.